Hi guys, today we are going to be making peanut butter cookies with these ingredients: egg, PB2 powder, applesauce, and water. So first we're going to pour this egg into our mixing bowl. Then we're going to add this PB2 powder. Then we're going to add the applesauce. Then we're going to add the water. Pause it. After we are done mixing this, we're going to patty out the cookies. Now we're going to patty down the cookies. You can also add flour to thicken the cookie batter. Now we're going to put it in the oven. Now we wait for 10 minutes. After baking them for 10 minutes, you let them fully cool for 10 minutes. Now it's time to taste test them. That's a good peanut butter cookie. Oh my God, that's really good.